Welcome back to Car Magica, where we bring you the latest car reviews, features, and expert insights. Today, we're diving into the world of luxury and practicality with the 2026 GMC Savana luxury van. A true fusion of comfort and capability, this van redefines what a premium people mover should be. Let's explore what makes it stand out in the competitive world of luxury vans. First, let's talk about the interior. GMC has built a reputation for durability and refinement, and the 2026 Savana luxury van lives up to that promise. As you step inside, you're welcomed by a spacious and intelligently designed cabin that combines modern elegance with everyday functionality. The premium leather captain's chairs provide ultimate comfort, while real wood trim and ambient lighting elevate the overall atmosphere. The entertainment system includes dual flat-screen displays, a surround sound audio setup, and Wi-Fi connectivity to keep everyone engaged on long journeys. The van also features a compact but well-equipped kitchenette module with a mini fridge and coffee maker, perfect for road trips. Rear passengers can relax in reclining lounge seats, while the van's luxury-inspired bathroom pod with high-end fixtures ensures convenience on the go. Now moving to the exterior, the 2026 GMC Savana luxury van blends sophistication with practicality. Its bold and boxy stance is enhanced by a refined aerodynamic treatment, improving both efficiency and stability. The high-gloss metallic finish adds a premium touch, while chrome accents and the signature GMC grille make it instantly recognizable. A power-operated sliding door and retractable side step offer easy entry, while the sleek alloy wheels underline its upscale personality. The large roof-mounted sunroof and an optional retractable awning create a versatile outdoor relaxation zone, making this van more than just a transporter, it's a lifestyle statement. When it comes to performance, the 2026 GMC Savana luxury van doesn't disappoint. Under the hood lies a 6.6-liter V8 engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, delivering smooth yet commanding power for both city driving and highway cruising. Thanks to its adaptive suspension, the ride remains comfortable even on rougher roads. GMC's advanced driver assist suite, including lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system, makes maneuvering a large van easier than ever. Whether you're chauffeuring executives, embarking on a family road trip, or simply seeking top-tier comfort, the Savana luxury van provides a refined and confident driving experience. Finally, let's discuss the price. The 2026 GMC Savana luxury van positions itself as a high-end offering in the luxury van market. With a starting price of around $120,000, it's clearly targeted at buyers looking for something beyond the ordinary. This price reflects its premium build quality, state-of-the-art features, and versatile design that balances luxury with utility. For those who want a reliable yet indulgent ride that offers both class and practicality, the Savana luxury van delivers outstanding value. To sum up, the 2026 GMC Savana luxury van is a remarkable blend of comfort, performance, and premium features. It raises the bar for what a luxury van can be, offering an elevated travel experience for both drivers and passengers. Whether you're using it for business, leisure, or family adventures, this van checks all the right boxes. Stay tuned for more reviews, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Car Magica for all the latest in automotive excellence.